In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a cinematic text in After Effects. So let's get to it. Here we are in After Effects. I've already created a composition. Now I'm going to begin by selecting the type tool, then click and type something. You can see the character settings that I'm using inside of the character window. Also make sure you have paragraph set to center text for the animation to work properly. And let's align the text to the center using the Align tab, align horizontally and vertically. Then let's expand the settings of the text, then click the Animate button, select the Blur, then click the Add button, Property, Opacity, Add button again, Property, Scale. Now we're going to adjust the individual values. Let's set Scale to 150, then Blur to 100, and Opacity to 0. Let's move the time indicator to the start of the text layer, then expand the Range Selector 1, and create a keyframe for offset by clicking on the stopwatch icon, then set the value to negative 100%, then move 2 seconds forward, and set offset to positive 100%. Then expand advanced settings, set shape to ramp up, then leave ease high at 0% and set ease low to 50%. Also make sure you enable a randomized order, and that alone will give us a cinematic text reveal. And we can add a secondary animation to this by scrolling all the way up. Make sure you click away so you're not selecting anything. Then click the Animate button and select Tracking. That way you're creating the animated 2 separately. Then move the time indicator to the start of the text layer once again. Then create a keyframe for tracking amount at 0. Then go a bit past the 2 seconds where we had the end keyframe. So let's go to 3 seconds. And then increase the tracking amount very slightly to 5 or 10. That way the text will be very slowly expanding throughout the animation and will add to the whole cinematic scene. So in the end, this is what we get. And that is it for this one. Thank you guys for watching.